In this session, let us learn about MongoDB query. Filter the result. When finding documents in a collection, you can filter the result by using a query object. The first argument of the find method is query object and is used to limit the search. See the example, find documents with the address Park Lane Road. See, now we are my query address Park Lane Road. See here, ID 11, name Bhaskar, address Park Lane Road was printed. Advanced query. To make advanced queries, you can use modifiers as values in the query object. Example, to find the documents where the address field starts with the letter S or higher alphabetically, use the greater than modifier $ZTS. Find documents where the address starts with the letter S or higher. See here, the sky and higher values, valley, yellow, sideway, they were printed. Filter with regular expressions. You can also use regular expressions as a modifier. Regular expressions can only be used to query strings. To find only the documents where the address field starts with the letter S, use the regular expressions $RegEx S. Find documents where the address starts with the letter S. While executing this code, the result is see ID 10 name Rita, address Sky Colony, ID 14 name Vishal, address Sideway Upper Colony. They were printed. Okay friends, this is the end of part 6 Python MongoDB query. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python MongoDB sort. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.